Hi guys, me again, Zach Onsing, and welcome back to my vlog. And for today's video guys, I'm going to teach you or to give you some tips when it comes to vlogging, especially to the new beginner and you're just using a mobile or cell phone, alright? As my experience guys, today while talking with you, I'm just using my mobile. Now, before we start guys, I have to shout out Miss Arlene T. Cruz. Siya po ay nagbigay sa akin ng inspirasyon, kaya po ako ay nakapag-video ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Sa Arlene T. Cruz po ay she is my friend on the Facebook guys. I don't know her personally, pero maraming salamat po sa iyong mga words of wisdom. Alright! Alright guys, now for disclaimer only, this is only my side guys, this is about only my experience guys. Maybe you think, oh this one you're not pro and you don't have this one, you don't have a lot of viewer to your YouTube channel. Now this is really I want to share just because I'm inspired guys. Now it's time to give some tips to the people that have potential for the vlogging guys. Before we start guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to update you to my new video uploaded. Alright, without further ado, let's start. What's those dark tips for the new beginner or if you are using mobile only for the vlogging? So tip number 1 guys, you have to landscape your camera. Don't make your camera like this. So don't make your camera stand up. It will not give you a good quality video. You have to make your camera like this and using your left hand. Yes guys, landscape and using your left hand. So that is the tip number 1 guys. The tip number 2 guys is very easy, very simple. You have to eye on the camera. Yes guys, eye on the camera. Just imagine there's a people in front of you that you are talk to the people in front of you so that the people who watch your video, they will feel your sincerity guys. So tip number 3 guys, you have to introduce yourself. Just like me, it's me again guys, Zach Onsing, and welcome back to my vlog. And that's it, you have to introduce yourself. You have to tell the people who they are watching with. So tip number 4 guys is the topic or the content of your video. This is the most important, is the topic of your video. Now, just like me, our topic now, how to start vlogging. Yes guys, really the content is really matter of the video. Now, don't be shy about your content. If you are good in cooking, you can share that one. You are good in the computer, you can share that one. You are good in hosting, dancing, singing, everything that you are good, you can share here in the YouTube. So don't be shy about your content because everything can improve guys. Alright, so don't mind about the content now because you are the beginner. Of course, you have to make a video, alright? So you have to make some video to your YouTube channel so that some people, if you invite the people, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Then, you didn't have a content. So now, why I subscribe to your channel? Then you didn't have the content. So this is the question of other people. So now some people, they just sharing their cooking, as I said before. They're sharing the dancing. They are vlogging outside. They are buying something. It's okay guys. The content, yes, it's matter, but don't be shy about your content because you have to ask your family, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can ask your friends, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, or you can ask everyone to subscribe to your channel. But the important is you have a content. Don't forget to put a content or video to your YouTube channel. So tip number 5 guys, how am I or how are you start filming a video, guys. Yes, this is also important, guys. How am I start filming a video, guys? So for my side, guys, when I start filming, guys, I have to take 1, take 2, take 3, take 4. Just like that, I have to cut my video while talking with you guys. So I cannot talk like straight just because sometimes I forgot the words what I say, the words I'm going to share with you. Sometimes I forgot it, guys. Now, while I'm talking, sometimes I forgot I have to cut. So now you have to be prepared what to say in your video. You have to prepare always. Like topic number 1, number 2, number 3, you have to prepare it so that and when it comes to editing, guys, you will not take along. So topic number 6, guys, how am I editing my video? Alright, how am I editing my video, guys? As I said earlier, you have to talk, cut, talk, cut. So you have only to talk, cut, then compile your video. Like for me, I'm using a iMovie when I'm doing a filming, guys. When I'm doing editing, guys, I'm using an iMovie. Then I just put the video together. Then the topic number 1, topic number 2, I just make it a compilation, guys. So just like that. So it's very easy, guys, to edit your video. Then the music. So now the problem, the music. This is the problem the most blogger, guys, because sometimes if you are doing filming, guys, we can have our copyright video. Alright. Now, when the people or the people surround you, they are making sounds or music while you are filming, maybe this music, it will give you a copyright. So always remember, guys, when you do filming, guys, you have to have a silent place. Just like me, I have a silent place here so that to avoid the copyright. So when you edit a video, guys, actually in my editor, I have some free music. And also if you are using a laptop or computer, but our topic now is if you are using a mobile only. So now if you are using a mobile, you're in the editing, we have a limited music, but there's some mobile. Like for me, I have using iPhone, guys, so I have a limited only music. And also, guys, in application, you can download any application, whatever you want. They have some free music. This is not a copyright music, guys, so we have to careful, guys, about the copyrights. Okay, if you ask me what is the copyright, guys, I will put in the description below what is the copyright, so that to understand you, or I can explain it properly what is the copyright, guys. So that is the video for now, guys. For our next video, guys, I will share you why it's important, the copyrights, and also I will share you what the word you will use when you're doing blogging, the do's and don'ts for do blogging, guys. I will share to you, guys, and that's it. I hope you learned something here in my YouTube. If any suggestion, comment, you can comment down below. Don't be hesitate. Don't be hesitate to comment down below. Any suggestion and comments, you can comment, guys. It's free to comment down below, guys. So if you like this video, guys, you can share it to your friends. You can share this video, guys, if you like. And it's time to say bye-bye and